Okay, we're going to show you how to make Belgian chocolate truffles, and we'll take quick shots of which chocolate you're going to use and the mold. And then once we get going, when the chocolates are melted, we'll show you how to mold it. We have the dark chocolate here. It's called bain marie, so it's on a water bath, hot water bath. The white chocolate. And these are the filling for the milk and white chocolate, and this is the filling for the dark chocolate. Over here we have some of the finished product from before, so you can see what it looks like. Okay, so now we're gonna fill the chocolate. We're gonna start with the dark. So what we do basically, we fill the mold all the way in. So the mold is completely filled with chocolate. Okay, so like this. I'm just going to show you one. And then we're going to tap it like this so we avoid air bubble. So we remove the excess. You want to remove the excess like this so you don't want too much chocolate on your shell. Flip it over on the parchment paper. It's going to close the shell in, so it's going to close it for you a little better than if we didn't put the parchment paper. It says for the other ones. Now it's time to fill in, to close the shell. So I'm just going to show you one, but I have all three here. So basically you do the same thing as you did before, but you don't have to worry about tap it this time because we don't worry about the bubbles. So this is what you do. You close that in. Excess, because we're going to remove it. So you see, like, act like you're putting butter on a slice of bread, pretty much. In the fridge for about an hour, and then we'll be able to unmold it, and then you'll see the final result. So as you can see, like I told you, the fact that we flipped it over a parchment paper, it almost closed the shell already. So it's a little trick that I learned. Now we're going to fill it in with the dark chocolate filling. Don't go all the way up, because otherwise it's going to give you a problem when you close it. Okay, at this time everything is ready to unmold. It just came out of the fridge. We're going to unmold the dark chocolate. Perfect. When it unmolds like that, it means that the chocolate was tempered perfectly. And this is the final result right here. I broke one. I guess this one's going to go in my belly. Thank you.